Hello all, welcome to Tech Mirages and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you disappearing messages, which is a new feature of WhatsApp which is being rolled out for all Android users all over the world. This disappearing messages feature allows you to send a message to a particular chat and let it disappear after 7 days. So in this video, I'll show you how to use this disappearing messages feature in WhatsApp, how to enable it, and what are the key points which you need to keep in mind while using this feature. But before going forward, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my latest videos. As the stage has been set, let's get started. So the most important point while using this disappearing message feature is this feature should be enabled for every individual chat. It is not enabled through the settings of WhatsApp, but you need to enable it for every individual chat as per your wish. So open WhatsApp and go to the chat for which you want to enable this disappearing message feature and tap on the contact name which you could see on the top. Next, scroll down and you could see an option called disappearing messages, which is recently released, and it is off by default, and just tap on it and it says a welcome message like get started with disappearing messages, and there are three important points which you need to read it and keep in mind. One is messages will disappear after 7 days if they are sent to a chat that has disappearing messages turned on. So if you turn on this feature for this specific chat, then all the messages will disappear after 7 days. Next, it says that media and messages won't disappear from outside the chat or from any device that they are saved on. So if this contact has enabled that backup feature and if the messages are backed up within 7 days, then those messages will not be removed from that stored devices but only will be disappearing from this chat. There are still ways for recipients to save messages like forwarding them or taking a screenshot. So you enable disappearing message feature for this particular chat, receiver can take a screenshot or can forward the message to others before disappearing it or before 7 days. So you need to remember these 3 points while using this feature. To enable this feature, just tap on continue button and tap on the on option under disappearing messages section. Click on the back button and you could see that disappearing messages is turned on and it is shown as on. Just tap back button again and scroll down and you could see a message saying that you turned on disappearing messages. New messages will disappear from this chat after 7 days. Just send some message like hello. This message will be disappeared after 7 days from this chat. And also when you turn on this disappearing messages feature, you could see a little timer being shown to the profile picture. So that indicates that this feature has been enabled for this particular chat. If you want to disable this feature for this chat, you can tap on the message and click on the off button over there, or else just come back, tap on the profile name again, scroll down and you could see disappearing messages option over there. Just tap on it and select off button. This means you are disabling this feature for this chat. Click on back button and you could see that disappearing message is off. Just click on back button again and it says again you turned off disappearing messages option for this chat. So this is a simple way to turn on or turn off disappearing message feature for WhatsApp, which got recently released and being rolled out for all the users all over the world. Hope you find this video useful. Please like and share the video. And if you have anything more to add, please do comment below the video. Thanks for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you soon.